This gig in the Workman's Club tonight was one of hundreds of events thrown into doubt after changes to the numbers allowed indoors. Clarification came this afternoon that the show can go on after the government confirmed that for venues like theatres and galleries, the existing limit of 50 indoors applies where there is physical distancing. But they say the uncertainty created does not bode well for the future.
The arts especially will be the ones worst hit by this, because we are the ones who bring activity back into a public setting again, and if the public is being kept away, then that's an entire sector that has to reimagine and replan again.
Restaurants too are looking for more clarity on numbers.
What does a party of 6 mean? Does it mean that a party of 6 full stop, or can we have groups larger that can be split into different groups 1 metre apart?
There is also concern about the impact the new advice on public transport will have on businesses. Before the pandemic, the lowest footfall recorded in Dublin city centre was in March 2018 during Storm Emma. Since restrictions have been eased, footfall has increased, but only to the same levels recorded during that snowfall in 2018, and businesses are worried that these new restrictions may lead to a further decline. On the sporting field too, they're trying to work around the restrictions on groups of 15 training.
Obviously standard squad would be 18 to 20 players across most ages, so then you have a decision to make of bringing in half of them and another half an hour later, or whatever way you do it. But that brings challenges in itself. But look, that's what we have to deal with in terms of maybe having some coaching staff working with 10 and another coaching staff working with another 10.
The reduction to 6 people in group exercise will be a real challenge for the industry in general. We do need some clarity around things like children's swim lessons and aqua aerobics. We would prefer that numbers were based more on square meterage than actual general numbers for a large club like us.
Samantha Libreri, RTE News, Dublin.